Hey foodie friends, today we're talking Trader Joe's pizza product must-haves. These are must-have Trader Joe's items that you need to get in your next Trader Joe's haul. You know, I make so many creative pizzas in my kitchen and a lot of them use Trader Joe's products. So let me take you behind the scenes of some of my recipes and my recent shopping trip to pick out some Trader Joe's pizza items. So the first thing I'm going to show you is that you can get a lot of the things to make your own white pizza sauce at home. A lot of the, it just has like milk, the Parmesan cheese, which I'm going to show you in just a minute, some produce, and of course that Trader Joe's pizza dough. I use it on recipes like this Philly cheesesteak pizza, which is so delicious, and Trader Joe's sells so many great steak options. A lot of them are marinated, but you could find other steak recipes to make at sipbitego.com to put on your Philly cheesesteak pizza. So now let's get into some of the other pizza options that they have, because they have some gluten-free pizzas at Trader Joe's. And one of my favorite things to use is the broccoli and kale pizza crust from Trader Joe's. Now, it does not taste exactly like regular dough. You definitely know it's a little bit healthier pizza option, but it is really good if you want to do low carb, which sometimes we do in my house because I'm doing so many like cookies, recipe testings and stuff throughout the day. So this is just an example of one of the recipes you can find at sipbitego.com for a really delicious gluten-free pizza with Trader Joe's crust. The broccoli and kale flavor, like I said, it does really taste like kale, but it's really good and even my toddler likes it. So this is something I make again and again in my house. And using tomatoes from their fresh produce is a great choice, but you could also use red peppers, orange peppers, onions. I put a little pesto on this pizza as well. It's really delicious. All right, so let's talk about another gluten-free pizza from Trader Joe's, and that is a cauliflower pizza crust Trader Joe's offers. It's really good. I'd say it's closer to a traditional pizza dough. And another option that you could do is you could make a little mini pizza, kind of like a pita pizza, but instead on these Parmesan Folios cheese wraps. They're another item that I think is really good for a work from home lunch or for a little like happy hour snack. You know, have a gluten-filled beer, but some gluten-free pizza. It makes sense, right? I love checking out these little Spanish Brand Deli Selection deli platters. These meats are so delicious. I love using chorizo on my pizzas. I use the chorizo on a lot of my frozen pizzas from Trader Joe's. Adding a little fresh cilantro is a great touch too. All right, so let me show you some of the great toppings you can find. First up is this organic shredded mozzarella cheese Trader Joe's makes. It's kind of a staple to put mozzarella cheese on pizza, and I really like theirs. You can buy quite a few different cheeses there. The jarred pizza sauce from Trader Joe's is pretty good. I like having it in my pantry in case I'm out of fresh tomato sauce, or if I don't feel like making my own tomato sauce. I do have a recipe for making red tomato sauce at sipbitego.com, but it is pretty good. I also love their cheeses. The cheesecakes is so good at Trader Joe's. This is the Asiago with rosemary and olive oil cheese from Trader Joe's. I always want to say Asiago, but it is Asiago cheese. That is really great. It's super potent, and the rosemary is really good too to put on pizzas. All right, so let's see what else I have here. One thing not pictured is the fresh tomato sauce you find in the refrigerator section, and I do really like that. And oh, I love putting ravioli on pizzas. I know it might sound a little funny, but I'm from Rhode Island, and actually pasta with pizza, or pasta on pizza is a thing, and I do have some recipes at sipbitego for pasta pizza. A great thing is that you could actually freeze the pizza dough from Trader Joe's in the bag and just pop it into the refrigerator to thaw overnight before you want to make your pizza the next day. Here's a recipe you'll love. I can't wait to show you how to make this ravioli pizza on flatbread with Alfredo sauce. It's so delicious, and really it uses a lot of ingredients you probably have either in your pantry or your refrigerator right now, and freezer if you have a little secret stash of pasta in your freezer like I do. And one of the best parts is I'm not even using real pizza dough. I'm using actually flatbread naan for this recipe, which makes it really easy to throw together on a weeknight. So I can't wait to take you in the kitchen and show you how to make this on Sip Bite Go. I have so many delicious pizza recipes, can't wait to share them all with you. Make sure to subscribe to Sip Bite Go today on YouTube, or go ahead and head over to sipbitego.com to print out the recipes that are already up. I do have a ton of new ones coming in the couple of months ahead for you, including grilled pizzas and other really creative pizza ideas that your family will love. Subscribe today. Well, I hope you're thoroughly enthused to go ahead and make your own pizza from Trader Joe's products. Until next time, I hope you have a wonderful and delicious day. Cheers!